So I'm telling you I love you one last time. And goodbye, just turn around and walk away. We don't have to live like this. Oh no, no, but if you love me still, then stay. Don't keep me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this life, so we can work deep apart. I just need to get this off my chest, that you will always